No.
Spray.
Am I in the way?
No.
I've got no one to pull. I'm really like that.
Dan, come down before that.
Oh, I just woke up. It's like, fucking prick. I talked to idiots this day. I'm out. No, mate, it's hard work. Yeah, we tried it. Oh, we got chewed. There's a proper one, no, mate. Woke up and slapped the frog off his face. What now? You know, whack them so that they fucking shoot straight round and it didn't fucking carpet burn off the scratch across his eyes. Fucking hell, damn. You don't like it before they win, that's deep smash Oh, flat! Fucking bugging your eyeball. Oh, I don't fucking get around nothing off the diff.
I'm trying to get them all.
Everything. There you go.
Everything. Oh, that went horribly wrong.
Oh! What was
Who's
that?
that? I think that was me.
Oh. That was Diff Crunch. That was loud. Sean can join the new Diff Club soon.
2RC.